The CIA's perfect puppet became their greatest nightmare. It's 1954 Saigon, South Vietnam. A Catholic Mandarin takes power as president while communist forces control the north. He refuses American advisors, builds his own intelligence network, and crushes the crime syndicates that Washington tolerates. His secret police root out corruption in every ministry. He transforms Saigon from a colonial backwater into a modern capital. New roads connect villages, schools open in every province, and refugees flood south seeking opportunity. For 3 years, South Vietnam thrives, but he makes one fatal mistake. He starts saying no to his American handlers. He rejects their military strategy, expels their corrupt officials, and demands real independence. CIA cables flow between Saigon and Washington. His own generals meet in secret rooms, phones ringing with promises from Langley. The coup plans solidify through October. On November 1st, tanks surround the presidential palace. He surrenders, trusting his captors for safe passage. The armored car stops, shots ring out, and 2 bodies lie bleeding in the back seat. The CIA's perfect puppet was Ngo Dinh Diem,